Revered Secretary Mr. Balaji, respected Dr. G.G., respected principals here, my dear Dr. Mohan, and my colleagues here, and my dear students, alumni. I really feel very happy to attend this function. During my tenure here, I could organize 9 batches of students to sit for big examinations, Vantage examinations. BEC means Business English Certificate examinations conducted by Cambridge University. And along with the members, the staff members of the Department of English, I could produce always almost 100%, many a time, 100%. I really carry happy memories of my stay here. My gratitude to the former chairman, late M.D. Devarajan. He moved with me as a friend. He was my friend, philosopher and gay. And I can never forget the moments I spent with him. Due to time constraint, let me
Thank you, sir. Now I request
Good morning, respected dignitaries on the dais, my colleagues, the alumni, Sriram to me is a part and parcel of my life. I stayed here nearly 14 years. When I got the appointment letter and came from the railway station inquiring where the college is. Only the main building was there at that time. Vijaya madam, Chitti Babu sir, they were in the office taking care of. I told them, I have got admission here. Is it a good college? Can I join? Professor BRR was the principal. Certainly, sir, no problem. It's a great college. Other buildings are going to come. The college is going to develop. From that time, July 2009, every day, as a staff member, I had a great stay here. You had everything in Sriram. We went for ISO, we went for accreditation. Professor G.G. made all the arrangements necessary. What from the head of the department, the accreditation committee would require for. And for ISO, what are the files? So we have learned a lot of things. So when Vijay Kumar called over the phone, sir, we have an elaborate alumni meeting this day, I immediately said, yes, I am coming. to see the old, not old, to see our friends, you come to know how old you become. The team we had was really great, but the kind of cooperation which the staff members execute amongst Sriram is one of the hallmark. I still feel there's only a thin difference which makes Sriram different from high-placed institutions like Velamala. There is only a very marginal difference. If you are able to overcome, then we would be one of the great institutions in the state and the country. The founder, as the name itself says, Sriram, our earlier chairman, he used to say, Sriram, he was a great son, he was a great husband, he was a great brother, above all, he was a great king. So our college, having his name, has all the virtues embodied in it. Staff members, to you I will say, you have a great place to work with. I enjoy your stay here. To students, you also taught a lot of things to us. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Respected Secretary Sir, respected former principals and other dignitaries on the dais, and in front of the dais, and my dear friends and my students' friends, good morning to everyone. I'm just following my senior, Professor Sivakumar. He narrated everything which I want to express, as usual. Because I feel great to myself in one sense that I am associated with this kingdom, as my sir said, because I'm learning, I will learn from Sivakumar sir. I feel I'm more emotional in a sense, because we have arranged so many meetings, so many things. The same story which I too want to repeat. Comes from Gudiyatham Government College as a guest lecturer. I worked from 96 to 97. 98 I joined here by August. I hope you will not be bored in listening to my story. I hope the thing. And the 12th August 1998, I entered this institution. Professor Krishnaswamy sir was there and received me. And during that period, during providing the appointment, our beloved chairman, he is still living, he is existing everywhere, because nook and corner, he is there, he is here now, he is listening, I believe, our chairman is there. The great name was given by Swami Chinmayananda. He used to say in every meeting that Chairman, Professor, our beloved Chairman, Devarajan sir. And I too here, I am also enjoying the same thing from 98 to 2011, 26 February 2011. That many alumni meetings. For your information, we have conducted 2 alumni meetings and so many other things where we received the same very good response. And whatever the thing we are exhibiting now have been collected from this environment, and surely the major part of my life is associated with Sri Ram, and I feel proud to be associated with such a great institution and want to be this institution flourish in future. And with these viewers, I wish the students, the alumni to achieve their goals in life and come up in their life. With you, sir, many things I want to express, but I can't be able to cope up with it. Thank you very much for the management and calling me to and felicitate me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
At 2 o'clock near Mailga.
Respected Secretary, former principals, current principal, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, my fellow colleagues, heads of departments, and my dear students. I hope you will not mind me speaking in detail a little bit more on what my colleagues have said. First, let me say a few words about the founder chairman, Sri M.E. Devarajan. Sri M.E. Devarajan sir was everything to us for our generation of HODs in this college. Very simple man with high integrity. We learned a lot from him. He gave us complete freedom for us to develop ourselves, our departments, our students. I have had the privilege to work with 8 principals in this college. We learned a lot from each one of the principals, starting from Professor V.R. Rajamanikam, who was director, who believed and taught us how your work ethics should be. Second, Professor Krishna Swami, who taught us how to consolidate on things when you don't have enough resources. Next was Dr. C.P. Saradi from Anna University, who gave us the freedom to go into new frontiers. We started getting into contact with our university, IIT Madras and CLRI and research institutions for various tie-ups. After the demise of Dr. C.P. Saradi, it was Dr. H.V. Ramakrishnan, who motivated us to apply for postgraduate programs in applied electronics and computer science. Then it was Dr. Kadir Viswalingam, who supported us when we had our project for desalination of seawater, which won the ISD award. And then we had Dr. T. Gopalakrishnan, another civil head of department from Anna University, who made us stick to the norms of the university. He was our fully rules. Then it was Dr. G. Gopalakrishnan, who laid the foundation for accreditation. He taught us everything from AICT, everything from National Board of Accreditation, though he had to leave in the middle. And that assignment was completed again by Professor Krishna Swami when he was on his 3rd assignment. I have with me here on the dais, I'm sharing my 20-year-old friendship with my professor, Dr. V. Mohan, who is also the current advisor for my management, Gulf Retirees Heritage Society, who was my professor who taught me heat transfer. I have Professor Baluswamy sir with me who taught me catalysis and surface phenomena in Anna University, who was the principal here. So I just list 3 principles working with Baluswamy sir, but I heard a lot about him when he did this reverse osmosis effluent treatment system at St. Peter's University, where he was director of research. And then wonderful job done by Dr. Parthiban, finding accreditation for Sri Ram Engineering College for all departments, but unfortunately he had to leave, because of his placement problem. And then I'm really thankful and surprised and astonished by your Professor Principal, Professor Nalangiri sir. No other college ever does this except in government institution where former faculty members, former head of departments and former principals are invited for a meet like this, and once again Sri Ram has made history into this. Coming back to my end to go for higher studies, the current head of department, Professor Helen Kalavati, was deputed for MTech and for PhD by Sri N.V. Devarajan. My another colleague of mine, Rosalind, which is sitting there with the kids, she was sponsored for her post-graduation. Another faculty and colleague of mine, T. Kavita, was sponsored for our PG. I mean, it is just for chemical engineering, but it's for fellow other departments also, like your faculties of ECE,